it's Riri, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my little Temu Halloween spooky season haul. I did half of this because this wasn't here yet, I think about a week ago or so, but if you want to check that out, I'll pop it right here for you. I like this shop, Temu. They don't have the best of quality on some items, but on things that I know I'm going to use seasonally, using them one time, gadgets, things like that, I feel like it's definitely worth it. So let me unbox everything and I will BRB. Alright, first up is this little spider web, like lace, little round tablecloth thing. I'm super excited about this. We have a little round coffee table in the living room. Sorry about the plastic. And this I thought was so adorable and was going to be so cool. It is a spider web, and then it has stars in it, and then of course spiders. That is so cool. Like, that could go with my Spider Queen costume as well. Thinking that's kind of cute, yo. I like this. And of course everything is incredibly affordable. Like I said, sometimes it's not the best quality, but I need it to last for a Halloween party. So next up, I got this 50 pack of little tiny black shot glasses. I will say these feel super well made, and I didn't think they were gonna be well made. I mean, they're kind of like solo cups, but they feel nice. They feel pretty sturdy, so I'm excited about those. Next up is this skull soap dispenser. This feels cheap. Again, I'm just using it for this, you know, the holiday. I'm just using it for spooky season. It feels super lightweight, but again, it was like maybe $2. So I thought it'd be kind of cool. And actually it's more like a teal, or I'm seeing teal. I don't think you guys are going to be able to see that. It almost looks teal blue to me when the light peeks through, but I feel like it would be super cool for the bathroom for the night of the party. I also picked up my Halloween costume. I unboxed the socks in my previous Temu haul. I'm going to be Velma, or as of right now, that is my plan. So I wanted to elevate it and modernize it, if you will. So I got this cute little skirt. That is adorable, and it feels nice. Okay, Temu, honey. But it had shorts underneath, which, you know, that's always a plus. I thought this with the little orange socks, and then this t-shirt, which is way brighter than I thought it was going to be. So now I don't know. You guys let me know. Velma obviously is not quite this orange. That is, oh my gosh. I don't think it's gonna pick up on camera how incredibly bright orange. Wow. Comment down below, let me know. But my vision is to wear this with this, the orange socks, and then I have like some little like Oxford type shoes, and then I, of course, wear actual, you know, glasses. So I have my glasses. And then I also got the little magnifying glass. How freaking cute is that going to be, y'all? But I'm going to do, like, updated makeup and stuff for her, like, for the costume and stuff like that. So I'm excited. Again, everything was pretty cheap, so I ain't mad at it. Next up, I also noted in my other video that I was going to be doing like prize bags, goodie bags for best costume, stuff like that. So here are the bags. And then these are just basically like little prizes and stuff that are going to go in it. I picked up a couple of makeup bags for the makeup babes. I also picked up some earrings. This is a set of I think 6 or 8 pairs of earrings, but they're all knives and like scissors and stuff like that. I actually have a friend who recently graduated cosmetology school, so I might actually sneakily get her address and send them to her. That's a good idea. But little stuff like this, you know, if you're doing a birthday party, a gathering, all this stuff was incredibly affordable, you guys, and it's just gonna make my party better, in my opinion. Next up, I also got a thing of the keychains, again with like 10 to 12 of them. They offer a lot of stuff like this, like different keychains, things like that. So I thought that would be also super cool. I picked up another koozie, beer koozie, because we're gonna have some gents here, or other people that might like to drink beer. I also got a pair of little like bloody like press-on nails. I thought that would be a super cool thing to put into the bags. I'm also gonna be getting some cupcakes, so I thought these would be cute as little cupcake toppers. Everything is like skulls and like black and gray, just very dark, and I'm gonna love it so much. I also thought these were super cute to put in the prize bags. They're just little wooden like silicone spatulas. And I like that these are mini. That's super cool. I like that idea. Then I also got a 4-pack, I think, maybe a 4 pairs of socks, again, for incredibly affordable price. Let me actually take these out. I want to see how they feel. Okay. But I'm also going to use these. Also nice and incredibly thick. Whoa. Was not expecting that. And I'm sticking my hand all in something that somebody's going to put on their feet. Sorry to whoever gets these at my party. So there's this pair. And then this pair right here. I might keep these for myself. Spooky, scary skeletons. Do I want to keep these for myself? Or should I keep these for myself? Y'all let me know. Should I keep pair number 1? Or pair number 2? Oh, I love them both. I'm only going to keep one. I'm only going to keep one. And then these I'm going to have to show a picture of for you guys. But they are these cool like cling decor pieces, I guess. The smaller one I'm going to put on the bathroom mirror, that when somebody walks in, it's going to be dim in there. I have like a little nightlight that's going to be in there. The soap dispenser, and then I'll have this on the mirror, so I think it'll be a little bit spooky, but not being like too spooky, if that, you know, if that makes sense. And then the other one is a larger one that I'm going to put on the kitchen floor as people kind of walk into the kitchen. And that's also going to be dim and have lights in it, and then have this on the floor. So that's my little haul. Should I keep a pair of socks, and which pair? I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.